It's a it's a it's breezy like. You're not gonna get that
Hi
drone.
guys, if you're new around here, I'm Dan, a lover of everything outdoors. And over the last 18 months, I have spent my spare time converting this work van into a camper van, a small home on wheels. Learning as I went along because let's face it, I am no handyman.
Why is the saw going backward instead
And
of
during
forward?
this journey, I
Oh,
guess it's safe to say
Jesus.
it wasn't a smooth ride.
Fuck that. I am fucking done with that shit.
But with a little bit of help, I got there in the end. The van is done. It is now time to enjoy. So, with over 30,000 castles, 1,500 kilometers of coastline, and nearly 500 mountains, there's no better place to start than this place I call home. It is now time to start clocking up the miles.
I'm actually feeling that I've achieved something.
So, recently I received an email from a Mr. Corey from Randallstown asking me if I had been to County Kerry and was it all worth the hype and the long drive that comes with it. So, let's see. Is the so-called hidden blue slate house. It is in the very back of the Black Valley. It is in the middle of nowhere. And believe it or not, they say this is the most photographed house in Ireland.
I've got an umbrella over my head. I've got a bloody camera around my neck. It's got that windy and that blustery. Even the sheep have took refuge. It is absolutely teeming. That's the view I have at the minute. I'll keep a wee eye out to see if I can spot this deer again that I got earlier on. I'm absolutely soaked. Things you do to try and get a bloody shot. So that's the view I was after. That's the view I was looking for with a windy road. Right, we're in luck. The reindeer's back. I actually think it may be starting to clear up now. I've got the 70 to 300mm lens on. It's just a waiting game now to see if the rain goes off.
Well, Mr. Corey from Randallstown, I hope I have answered your question. The rest I will leave up to you.